Hey coffee lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making an incredibly cozy campfire mocha with smoked salt that tastes like a warm fireside treat in a mug. This rich homemade mocha combines bold espresso, creamy chocolate, and a smoky, salty twist for the ultimate comforting drink experience. Perfect for cold mornings or relaxing nights, this coffee-style recipe is easy to make right at home. Let's get started and brew something amazing today. Ingredients: 1 shot espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon smoked salt, whipped cream, chocolate shavings or cocoa powder. For topping directions: start by brewing a fresh shot of espresso or a strong cup of coffee and set it aside. In a small saucepan over medium heat, combine the milk, chocolate syrup, cocoa powder, and brown sugar. Whisk continuously until the mixture becomes smooth, creamy, and hot, but do not allow it to boil. Add the smoked salt and stir gently to blend the smoky flavor into the mocha mixture. Pour the espresso or coffee into your favorite mug, then slowly add the warm chocolate milk mixture. Stir until fully combined. Top the mocha with a generous swirl of whipped cream and finish with chocolate shavings or a dusting of cocoa powder for an extra cozy touch. For even more campfire flavor, lightly torch the whipped cream for a toasted marshmallow effect. Serve warm and enjoy every rich, smoky, chocolatey sip. Thank you so much for watching today's Campfire Mocha with smoked salt recipe video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this rich, cozy, and smoky coffee-style drink right at home. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments below how you liked it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more delicious coffee recipes and cozy drink inspiration every week. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.